Hello students and welcome to CAIE Grade 4 Maths, Unit 1. My name is Diana Sayek and I will be your teacher for this video. In this video, we will learn the following subjects: addition and subtraction, decimals, positive and negative numbers. Let's start with addition. We add numbers together. Here we have an example of an addition. My symbol or my sign for addition is the following, the one in orange, and we call it a plus sign. When adding numbers together, we say 5 plus 7 equals 12. Here's an example of an addition problem. Our classroom. There are 11 boys and 13 girls in our classroom. How many students are there in total? So, we have got 11 boys. We are going to add how many girls? 13 girls. And we need to find our total, 24. So we say 11 plus 13 equals 24. There are 24 total students in the classroom. We can also use addition when we're at the market. For example, Susie. She wants to buy some milk and flour to make a cake. The milk is $4 and the flour is $8. How much total money does she need? So let's take a look. We have $4 and we have $8. And what's my total? 12. So we say $4 plus $8 equals $12. Subtraction. We can also subtract numbers. This is my symbol for subtraction. It's called the minus sign. We say, for example, 16 minus 9 equals 7. We can also say 16 take away 9 equals 7. My operation is called subtraction, but when reading, we say minus. Here's another example. We have here, you can see our numbers 10 and the 7 and the 3. We say 10 minus 7 equals 3, or 10 take away 7 equals 3. Or sometimes you may also hear, or you can say 10 subtracted by 7 equals 3. Here's an example for you using subtraction. There are 24 students in the classroom. 9 students went to the garden to play. How many students are in the classroom now? So we set up our operation. 24 minus 9 equals 15. Now there are 15 students in the classroom. We can also use a number line to help us with subtraction. When doing subtraction on a number line, we're going to count backwards. So if I have 4, I start at 4, minus 2, I need to go up 1 and 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Decimals. Here you can see a number with a decimal. We have the number 19.42. This dot or this point, this is what we call a decimal point. 19.42. And here I can say that I have my 4 is in the tenths place. Be careful, not tens, but tenths. And I have in the number 19.42, I have the 2 in the hundredths place. Hundredths place. Let's take a look at another number, 29.40. We have the 4 in the tenths place, but look, there is nothing in the hundredths place. It's just a 0. So in this case, I can say 29.4, or I can also say 29 and 4 tenths. We do not say that there is a 0 in the hundredths, and we do not have to write the 0. we say 29.4 is the same as 29 and 4/10. Here we have a 0 in the 10th place in 29.04. And in 29.04, we have 4 in the 100th place. We can say 29 and 4/100ths, or we can also say 29.04. It's very important when we don't have any value or any number before the decimal point to put a place value holder, and that's our 0. The 0 is a place value holder. In this case, we know that we don't have any numbers in the 1s or 10s place. We just have the decimal numbers. It shows that there are no digits in the 1s place, so we say 0.59 or 59/100ths. We do not need to say 0 and 59/100ths. It's not necessary. Again, you can say 0.59 or 59/100ths. When do we use decimals in real life? Well, decimals are often used when we're talking about money. For example, here we have $16. We can write it like this, 16, or we can write it as 16.00. But if we have $16.25, we would write it as follows, 16.25. In this case, we have the 2 is in the 10th place and the 5 is in the 100th place in 16.25. Positive and negative numbers. Here we have the positive and negative numbers, and it's easier to view them on the number line. All the numbers to the right of the 0 on the number line are positive. All the numbers to the left of the 0 on the number line are negative numbers. And we show the negative numbers with a small dash or hyphen with the number, so we know it is negative. When do we use positive and negative numbers? Well, positive and negative numbers are mostly used when we're telling the temperature. So we can check the thermometer here. And here you see my 0. All the numbers bigger than 0 are my positive numbers, and the ones below are negative. -5 degrees, -10 degrees, -15 degrees Celsius. These are my negative numbers. If the temperature is greater than 0, the number is a positive number. If the temperature is less than 0, the number is a negative number. But please make sure that you keep this in mind. 0 is not a positive or a negative number. In this video, we learned about addition and subtraction, decimals, and positive and negative numbers. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!